You're not broke because you don't make enough money. You're broke because no one ever taught you how money actually works. And today, I'm going to fix that. Most people live the same cycle. They get money, and the first thing they do is spend it. New phone, new clothes, food, things they don't even need. And at the end of the month, they're back to zero. Not because they're lazy, but because they were never taught the rules. School didn't teach you this. Society doesn't talk about this. So you keep repeating the same mistake, again and again. But the truth is, there are only a few simple rules that separate broke people from people who build wealth. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. The moment you get money, before you spend anything, you take a part of it and keep it aside. Even if it's just 10%. Because if you don't save first, you'll never have anything left to save. Saving isn't what you do after spending. Saving comes first. Rule number 2, invest. Saving money alone is not enough. If your money just sits there, it loses value over time. You need to make your money work for you. Start small. Even a small amount is enough. Because it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Rule number 3, spend what's left. Not the other way around. Most people spend first, and save nothing. Wealthy people save and invest first, and only spend what remains. Let me be honest with you. Your lifestyle is what's keeping you broke, not your income. You don't need more money right now. You need better habits. Because more money with bad habits still leads to being broke. So start today. Save first. Invest next. Spend last. Even if it's a small amount. Because the people who win with money are the ones who start early and stay consistent. Follow for more.